The lovely question for you all. 9 raised to x equals to 27, and what is the value of x here? So here what we can do is 9, as we know, can be written as 3 square, and you already have the power of x. Let's put it back, which is equal to 27, and 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And now here this is equal to, whenever you have power to power, you multiply the powers. 2x is equal to 3 cube. Now whenever you have same base and there's equal to between them, you can equate the powers. Here you have 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 over 2. So here we have the value of x, which is equal to 3 over 2. Now if we want to check, let's check if that is right or not. Let's put it back in our equation, which is 9 to the power of x is equal to 27. So here we have 9 to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to 27. Now how can you find 3 over 2 as a power for this one? Just break it down again. 3 square over 3 over 2 is equal to 27. And the square and 2 gets cancelled, so you're left with 3 cube is equal to 27. Isn't it the same? 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and that's true. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, and that's true. So x is equal to 3 over 2 is the right answer.